What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex, and today, as you can see, I'm over here on the trail and we got a new feature that has apparently not been completed. We'll see how they fix this landing, because as it is right now, be assured that I'm not gonna hit it. Today is just a quick video. St. Patrick's Day, wearing green because I might not have a video for this Saturday, spring break, taking vacations at home, whatever, but just wanted to show you something real quick. So I rode yesterday as well. I rode my Polygon Siski T8, and like many of you know, I have not done anything to this bike except for regular just maintenance. The only thing I replaced was the pedals, the grips, the saddle, and eventually the tires that I have on my Blue Axum. But other than that, it's pretty much stuck. Same fork, same shock, all of that. Chain, group set, everything. But yesterday when I was riding up, I kind of heard a little noise when I pedal coming out from this general area right here, and I couldn't figure it out. So I got home, I put it on the stand, pedaled it and everything, and nothing. So I just couldn't figure it out. But today when I got it out and got on the bike and back pedal, I felt something. So I got off and I checked my cranks. So coming on this side, I noticed that I wanted to check something that I had done to my Blue Axum. I don't know if y'all remember that video. I think it was a short where the GXP chain got loose. So I tried to move this rock this side to side a little bit to see if it was loose, but to my surprise, the whole crank set was loose a little bit by like a few millimeters. So the whole thing was moving back and forth. So what I did to fix it was loosen up the bolts right here on this side, tighten up this right here, and it solved the problem. And of course, tighten those back up. That solved the problem. No more noise, just regular maintenance. Check it before you ride. So yeah, that was just a little tip of the day. Make sure you check everything before you ride, especially if you're hearing something that you don't know what it is. Hopefully this video solves a lot of people's problems and get you back on the trail in no time. Little things as tighten up a bolt can make a whole lot of difference and not leave you stranded. And besides that, always wear your PPE. That's why I'm not gonna that's one of the reasons I'm not gonna hit this thing, because I still gotta go back home to my wife and kids, and I'm still not prepared for this. That thing already is around 3-4 feet to the tabletop right there, and it's just deep right here. They say they're gonna fix the landing, but I don't know when. Hopefully soon, and it'll be ideal if they can make like a kind of like a roll down for beginners riders, intermediate riders, people like me that don't hit these things all the time. Maybe I got like scars from when I crashed on that other ramp over there, and every time I hit that ramp I gotta come in from Chris saying, why didn't you hit the ramp? And the reason is because that got me out of commission for 4 months. I couldn't even sneeze. My chest was gonna feel, it felt like it was exploding. So I just take my precautions and I just hit it sideways and progress a little bit, little by little. So again, this video was just a quick tip on regular maintenance. Check up your bolts. Other than that, like I said, there's not gonna be video this Saturday, hopefully next Saturday. But other than that, that is gonna be it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.